Full of the little lid.
What are you doing, Soleil?
And I am washing my clothes.
You're washing your clothes. Where's the washing machine?
Oh, it's in the pot. It's in the pot.
So you're the washing machine?
Yes.
Do you run out of batteries ever?
No.
Where's your electric plug? So whose laundry are you doing?
Mine.
Why aren't you doing everyone's? So is this the first wash or second wash?
Second.
Second? So now, do you like washing your own clothes?
Yeah.
Yeah? Why do you like it?
Because the water is warm.
Bye, Soleil.